Alright, today is November 5th, and I'm working on my rear bumper. I was going to take it out to get it all polished up, but I forgot I had some brackets on here that I should get cleaned up. So again, the rear bumper, so there are some brackets here that come off. Got a bolt here, there, and that one comes off there. That one there. There, and then also there is the license plate light, which also comes off. So you've got these two here that hold the bracket on, and then these two here that hold the light to the bracket. And we've got our wire that goes in through there, the inside. So I'll work on taking these off real quick, and I'll be back. Got everything off. So just to review, so this is as if you're looking at the back of the car or the back of the bumper, and then on the driver's side, so I got a bracket. This one here fits like that, and then I got my two bolts. I'll soak these. I'll probably end up replacing them. I don't want to, but probably will. And then here's another bracket here. Fits in like that. And this one I did break. Had to pound out. And then the other side, same deal. That. And then my bolts. And then this one here, same deal if you can see it in the that, and then the light. So you got these screws. You got one here and one here. The light just comes right out, like so. Okay, so I'll take a look at this, probably the seal. I could probably take this part, do the seal, and then I might have to buy the wire for it. It looks like it's been spliced once or twice, and this is the stopper that goes up into the bottom of the trunk. And that's it. So now I'll get this thing cleaned up and get it polished and go from there. I think that all the spots here where the bolts go, I think look pretty good. Not too bad rusted. Get this cleaned up. And then this piece here is riveted on, so it doesn't come off. Yeah. So this bumper needs a lot of work, but I think I'll do it. It's got a little overspray. You can see the overspray on here from the car was painted. I think it was in the 80s. I think it was late 70s, early 80s. It had gotten another paint job. But anyway, and that's it. And then the front bumper. Here's the front. There were no brackets that bolted to it. Just bolted to the frame. So that's in decent condition too. I'll get that polished up and cleaned. Not too bad. It's got a couple of dings in the very nose of it. And in front. It's a bumper. That's what happens. But we'll see. Get these cleaned up. And then that's it for this video. Thanks.